Hey everyone, welcome back to Text-Basis Cubing. Today we are going to be unboxing and reviewing the Huaming YS3M cube, which is the latest flagship 3x3 release from MoYu. This is the ball core version. So I'm really excited to see what this cube has to offer, so let's go ahead and dive right in.
Alright, let's get started with the unboxing. Oh cool, it's Yu Shengdu's face. Yay, it's the first thing you see when you open the box. Alright, so let's see if... very weird case.
Very similar to a can case.
Let's take a look at the accessories. So, first, when we open it, we have whatever the heck this is. A pamphlet, another whatever the heck this is, screwdriver, whatever this is, and a compression tool. So, yeah, let's take a look at the cube. Oh, this feels pretty nice. The dragon scale pattern looks pretty cool. This definitely does feel like it needs some setup.
My first impression of this cube is it's definitely a high-end product. The corner cutting is amazing, 45 degrees for normal, and right line to line, almost, like a tiny bit less than that for reverse corner cutting. I can tell that it's a bit tight, so it might need to be like loosened for the reverse corner cutting to be better, but normal corner cutting is awesome. The magnets feel strong but not too overpowering, and the adjustable tensions / compressions that MoYu always has are a nice touch. So overall, I'm impressed with the build quality and the attention to detail, especially the dragon scale pattern. So let's go ahead and set it up. Here are the lubes that we're going to be setting it up with, Max Fleet, Max Command, and DNM. Now let's go do a quick performance test to see how the YS3M handles. Now I'm going to go ahead and scramble this cube and solve it as quickly as possible. So let's go ahead and do that.
Good luck, and may the force be with you.
$15.544. This is like maybe 3 seconds faster than my average, so this is a pretty good cube. I'm just not used to it, or maybe it's not broken in. It really just depends, but it feels nice and smooth. Corner cutting's amazing. Magnets are a really nice strength, and yeah, it's a really good cube.
Overall, I'm really happy with the MoYu Huaming YS3M cube. It's a high-quality cube that offers excellent performance and customization options, and I think it's worth the higher price tag. The dragon scale pattern and strong magnets give it a unique and satisfying feel. I can see myself using this cube for a long time. If you're in the market for a new 3x3 cube and are willing to invest a bit more, I would definitely recommend giving the YS3M a try.
Alright, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cubing content in the future. Let me know in the comments if you tried the YS3M or have any questions about the cube. See you next time.
Also, by the way, we're using the iPhone 12 Pro for filming. Let us know in the comments if this is better than the 600D that we used last time. So bye.
Shengdu.